Hello, everyone. Thank you for coming for the talk. This topic lies close to some personal experiences and also a natural flow in the direction where autonomous systems are moving. So when I was working with Nissan and Ford for the level 5 features, one of the key things is we are driving these cars without a driver, and you have to pick up a person. How do communication happen in a natural language, right? Usually we're off in terms of how far you are, or you're in a crowded space. How do you communicate with a robotic system like that? And also for delivery systems, for automotive bots, we often experience people say yes or a no. Is that the way we want to move to communicate with the autonomous system, or do we try to develop them into a way humans communicate as a seamless experience as the systems evolve? So here in the area, it's not a new domain. People have been working on it for quite a few years. And there are two approaches. Like, we can generate reasoning in language from visual input, or from language generate images. The latest DAL-E that you see from OpenAI, it generates images out of text. So I'm going to present today the other way around, that how do we generate language out of a given context in an image. And where do we apply this, as I mentioned before, is for robotic delivery systems, like service industry robots, education systems, disaster recovery systems. And a lot of these can fall under multiple domains, like a visual description generator. Sometimes you don't need the whole suite of visual reasoning there. And sometimes it's visual reasoning, question-answer system, generation from text, video dialogue, visual storytelling, and multimodal machine translation. Sometimes we can evolve beyond what is human communication, because there are systems where we receive constant inflow of sensor data, like flights and other manufacturer-specific systems that rely on a lot of sensor input. How do we translate that back to a human language?